used word abbreviations. GPS, Global Positioning System, SMS, Short Message Service, GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, ISP, Internet Service Provider, LCD, Liquid Crystal Display, CC/BCC, Carbon Copy or Blind Carbon Copy, PDF, Portable Document Format, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, SD card, secure digital card, CCTV, closed circuit television, UIDAI, Unique Identification Authority of India, PAN, permanent account number, virus, vital information resources under siege, PIN, personal identification number, ATM, automated teller machine, OTP, one time password or on the phone, FAQ, frequently asked questions, not n/a, not applicable or available, NaN, not a number, camera, computer aided manufacturing, robotics and automation, mobile, modified operation, byte integration, limited energy, Google, global organization of oriented group language of earth, SIM, subscriber identity or identification model. Abbreviations for words used in software field. Computer, common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. PC, personal computer. ROM, read-only memory. CPU, central processing unit. URL, uniform resource locator. TCP, transmission control protocol. IP, internet protocol. USB, universal serial bus. RAM, random access memory. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. Gmail, graphic mail. LAN, local area network. WAN, wide area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. MAC, media access control. PFA, please find attached. Blob, binary large object. VPN, virtual private network. Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. IPv6, Internet Protocol version 6. OOPS, Object Oriented Programming System. OS, Operating System. GUI, Graphical User Interface. Word abbreviations used in regular texting. ASAP, as soon as possible. OK, all correct. AEAP, as early as possible. ALAP, as late as possible. VFF, best friends forever. BRB, be right back. BRT, be right there. Tomorrow, tomorrow. 2NTE, tonight. TTYL, talk to you later. EOD, end of discussion, or also you can say end of the day. LOL, laughing out loud. IDK, I don't know. BTW, by the way. TQ, thank you. RIP, rest in peace. WRT, with regard to. WB, welcome back. FYI, for your information. Password, personal access security service without regular disclosure. Abbreviations of words for industries. ASSOC dot association, VROS dot brothers, CI dot campaign, CO dot company, CORP dot corporation, INC dot incorporated, LTD dot limited, MFG dot manufacturing, MFRS dot manufacturers. Manufacturing industry names in full forms. ACC, Associated Cement Companies, Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, AT&T, American Telephone and Telegraph Company, Adidas, Adolf Dassler, Bell, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, BPL, British Physical Laboratories, BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, CNBC, Consumer News and Business Channel, CNN, Cable News Network, DLF, Delhi Land and Finance, HP, Hewlett Packard, IBM, International Business Machines, HCL, Hindustan Computer Limited, HTC, High-Tech Computer, Infosys, Information Systems, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, LG, Lucky Gold Star, Intel, Integrated Electronics, L&T, Larsen and Turbo, NDTV, New Delhi Television, P&G, Procter and Gamble, TVS, Trichu Vengaram Sundaram, Viacom, Video and Audio Communications, Vodafone, Voice Data Telephone, Wipro, Western India Products Limited, Yahoo, yet another hierarchical officious oracle, KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken, HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited. So, guys, I covered the full forms of words that we use in texting, or normally we know some of the brands, but we don't know the full forms or the manufacturing industry names. and some of the common words we use in our life like OTP, mobile, etc. So I covered all these words full forms, and I hope you guys learned something from my presentation. And thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.